What is up, good people? So today I'm about to do an unboxing of some Victoria's Secret items that I caught on sale. So you guys are going to join me, and yeah, please remember to like and comment and subscribe. It doesn't matter if it's good or bad. I accept all criticism. I'm a mother. What else can I say? I take it all. Alright, so here we go. We're about to unbox. So first of all, it came in a black bag. I like black, so I guess that's okay. Alright, then let's see what else I can get into. Here we go. Alright, so the bag is now open. Let's see. So again, I bought these items on sale. Just every week I try to see what I can find that's on sale to treat myself. You know, little treats. Nothing too fancy, nothing too expensive, because you guys know my hashtag, mom on a budget, of course. So, always on a budget, try to stick to my budget. And again, I found these items on sale on Victoria's Secret site. So, let's dig in. Alright, again, here's my little invoice here. Again, look at the price. I bought 4 items, $20. I told y'all, what's my hashtag? Mom on a budget. I'm gonna get it on sale. So of course, when you order things, what do? They want to keep you coming back, you know. They give you coupons, so why not? This is a nice little coupon. $20 reward card of $50 purchase. That's cool. Okay, so Diamond Sky, definitely a good pick. Smells wonderful. Call me crazy. I know this is something that may be outlandish and you guys may not quite understand where I'm going with this. But the after party scent will be something that I would truly wear if I was going to a party. If that makes any sense to you. Whereas Diamond Sky, I would wear it if I'm planning on having an intimate moment or an intimate night. You know what I'm saying? The smells are very distinct and different, and it gives you a different feel. It sets off different hormones and senses in the brain. So definitely a difference. Both very good and very good buys for the amount that I paid. $3. Can't beat that. Victoria's Secret. So make sure you go there, guys. Subscribe to Victoria's Secret's mailing list and check out their sale. So let's go on to see what else we have. Alright, 2 boxes. These are the body sprays, I would presume, because I ordered 2 lotions and 2 body sprays. So let's go to see how this came out. So the after party spray comes. It's not nothing fancy about the packaging. It came in just a regular cardboard box. The bottle spray looks nice, heavy, and sturdy. So those are all good, especially being what a mom. It works. Plus the sturdiness. You never know when the kids are gonna come by and knock something off your chest of drawers. So it works. So let's see how it smells. Let's see if this is a good buy. Okay, so it doesn't smell bad. It's just the only thing with Victoria's Secret, you can always smell more alcohol than anything than scent. Call me crazy. But I get that alcohol smell more than the scent that it should give off. That's the only thing. I just smelled more alcohol with this. And how do I know it's alcohol? Because I'm a nurse and I smell alcohol pads and so forth all day. Gosh. But yeah, you definitely get more of an alcohol scent versus the scent of the after party. I have to say that the lotion smell is better than the body spray. Alright, let's see what else we can get into here. Alright, so basically I just fast forward. It just basically came in the same regular cardboard box and individual plastic bag. So now we're about to check out the smell. And again, it's the Diamond Sky Fragrance Mist, sorry. Okay, so the Diamond Sky did not disappoint. It is better than the after party. Crazy. I love it. I'm enjoying that. It's similar to This is a throwback fragrance from Bath and Body. White. That fragrance from Bath and Body is similar to that. And I'm thinking, since that's my favorite, one of my favorites from Bath and Body, that's why I'm leaning more toward Diamond Sky. But then, at the party, that alcohol smell, I don't know. But yeah, I'm loving this one. I really am. Alrighty, so basically, overall, I really think it was a good buy, especially for $20. I got full-size items. They're not travel size. They're full-size items. And it's 4. I have 2 body sprays, 2 lotions for $20, and it's Victoria's Secret. And I'm satisfied with all products overall. So, I mean, I think it's a win-win situation. Diamond Sky appears to be my favorite. I won't lie. I'm loving the Diamond Sky over the after party. Yeah, so basically that's it. Thank you guys for watching. And please remember to click like and subscribe to the channel. More to come, group. Lately we have been releasing videos every other Monday. But the more material we get, the more we share with you guys. So subscribe, hit the notification button, do what you need to do. Just show a little chocolate girl some support, guys. Thanks in advance. Peace.
So good. Hello, somebody, come on. He gives me life. Give me life. Whoa, he makes me feel so good.